Alright guys, so let's go into the editing process. So for this editing work, you need just two things: the one that you disappeared and the one that you appeared again. So here for the disappearance, I have this clip where I ran to the scene and jumped like this and disappeared. So this is the clip. So this is what I did, and I left the scene so that I will have an empty background like this. This is the empty background. All right, so now this is another scene where I acted as if I disappeared. Sorry, I appeared, where I acted as if I appeared. So this is it. I've appeared now. So now let's continue. So we have this clip. What I have to do here, that I jumped, I tap on the clip, then select split. I have to cut it out. I have to cut from here to the place I left the scene. Okay, I've left the scene, so I have to select the clip again, tap on split. Then what I have to do is to delete this middle part. So I select the clip, the middle clip, then tap on delete. So as you can see, look at what we have now. So as you can see, we have the disappearance now. So it has disappeared. So now to make it more realistic, okay, let's go over to the appearance side. So this empty background is too lengthy, so I have to select it, tap on split so that I can reduce it. It's too lengthy, so I have to delete. So now coming to the appearance side, I have to select here, then here that he has jumped to appear, I have to select the clip, tap on split because I need to delete this part. So let's see what we have. Okay, I've appeared. All right, so it's so simple to do. So now what we have to do now to make this thing more realistic and more cinematic, we have to import green screen effect, a disappearing effect. So what we have to do is to import it, because I myself, I already downloaded it. But you, if you don't have it in your phone, you just have to go to YouTube. Go to YouTube. This is YouTube. Then search for teleport effect green screen. As you can see here, I already have it on my phone because I downloaded it, so I don't need to download it again. I downloaded it already. So this is the green screen effect. So what you just have to do here is to tap on share. Then you copy the link. Tap on copy link. As you can see, the link has been copied. Then you go over to Chrome or any browser that you're using. Go over to Chrome. Then tap on savefrom.net. Then press go. Then as you can see, this is a place where you can download any video of your choice, be it Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or Twitter. As you can see, it has been listed here. Just what you have to do is to copy the link of the video, paste the link here, tap here, paste the link, then you press here, then you can see the video has appeared, as you can see. So that is how to get any video of your choice or any green screen effect. So all you need to do now is to press on download. I don't want to download it again because I downloaded it already. So let's go back to editing. So here we are in CapCut. I have downloaded the green screen effect already. So what I have to do is to add overlay. Tap on add overlay. Then I select the green screen effect that I downloaded already. So this is the green effect here. I downloaded it from. So now I add. So what I have to do is to look for the particular effect that I need. Okay, this is the. So I have to split. As you can see, I have to select from here. Okay, let's split, then delete the beginning part. So let's see what we have. Let's drag it to the place where I disappeared. Let's see. Okay, the first one, let's. Okay, so now I have to select the green screen effect, split it, then delete the remaining parts because I may not need them. So this is it. I have to select it because it's coming before. Okay, I have to address it so that it will happen at the same time. Okay, so now tap on it, reposition it well. Okay, so now I have to enlarge it a little bit. Use your 2 fingers to enlarge it. Okay, so as you can see, there is green screen effect on this package. So what I need to do now, so as you can see, there is green effect at the background of this, and we need to remove it. So all we need to do is to tap on it, go over to remove BG. So here is remove BG, select on chroma key, then you will see something like this. Then take it to the green background. All right, so here is the green background. It has removed, but as you can see, there are still traces of green background within the effect. So what you need to do is to increase the intensity to 55. Increase the intensity to 55, then leave the shadow, then feather the edge. As you can see, feather the edge to 100, then clean up the edge to somewhere 85. Okay, so let's see what you have. When you are done with this, then you tap on okay. So readjust it, make it bigger or smaller with your 2 fingers, depending on what you want to achieve. All right, so this is it. So it's very simple to do. So the same thing you do here. So if you want to still use the same effect for the appearance, then what you need to do is to go back here, then tap on the effect, then look for duplicate. Okay, I've duplicated it. It's now 2. So what you need to do, hold on it, drag it to the second place where you appeared. So this is it. So it's very simple to do on CapCut. So once you are done, you add any sound of your choice, and that is it.